3.
Button.
3
Okay.
tips.
Do I just like open this on there?
Yeah. 1 cup.
With what?
Scissors? What?
Whatever.
What are you talking about? Whisk it with?
No, yeah, we're gonna stir it with scissors.
1 cup. Good cook.
I like spilled pudding mixed with camera.
It's okay.
Can I throw this away now?
No, what are we just have to add milk and that's it?
And whisk for 2 minutes.
Alright. 3 cups of cold milk. Yummy. Whisking time. Do you want a little spoon or a big spoon?
To the whisk. A metal whisk.
A whisker. That makes sense. Here's a whisk. Whisk away.
It's all like powder. For 2 minutes.
Toast and toast, toast and toast. Do we want anything else in our pie? Pudding. Let's see what I have.
We put pie in the pie.
How about some chocolate chip?
Add it on.
Let's throw them in. Chocolate chip.
It's been like 10
They're
seconds.
twisted. Ding ding ding.
It's just
gonna make it
gonna
harder to whisk. I know. We'll just add them at the end. Probably when your arm gets tired.
There you go.
2 minutes of whisking. How long has it been, by the way?
I don't even know.
This is fun.
Oh my god. Delicious and easy recipes. Oreo, Jello Oreo pie pudding.
Oh, very smart. What are you putting in?
2 cups of cold milk. 2 packages of Jello Oreo. Ew.
That's great.
Pudding. Whipped cream. Oreo
Okay.
pie.
Oh, we're making it right.
Yeah.
What was that?
You're an amazing brother. How long has it been?
Whisk away. Whiskey.
2 minutes and 43 seconds since that started. I think it's been 2 minutes, has it?
I don't think so. We should whisk for about 30 more seconds. Well, because remember I had to pour on the milk.
Oh yeah.
We should probably take the plastic out of the pie.
Oh yeah.
Just a thought. Watch, there's like no pie crust. I'd cry. I'm like, what do we whisk with? A whisker.
Looks like
Black. Blackness.
I'll put that in the sink.
Okay. Okay, this looks like it's about to overflow. Just we need a spatula. Oh my god, it's like tilting. Wine. That was definitely ew, the spatula. That's weird. Whatever, let's use the weird spatula. But it's like tilting to one side. When we like walk, it's gonna like
I think that's enough.
yeah.
Chocolate chips, yes, no.
Yeah, let's just throw them in there.
There's one in here.
Sprinkle them on nicely. They're just gonna sink right on down.
You know we did it in 4 hours.
Oh, great. 4 hours later. It's not until like 9:40. No. Well, it's not fun. That's enough.
They put them in the fridge.
Yeah.
What is it like?
Here, I'll open it.
It jiggles!
Don't jiggle it.
I'm not. It like overflowed on one end.
I know. Look at that. Fine. How's it going down her pants?
Hi, it's complete.
That mess, so was not us.